Students, will start with exercise 14.2. In the first question, the blood group of 30 students of class 8 are recorded as follows. A, B, O, and the blood group of all the 30 students have been written here, and represent this data in the form of a frequency distribution table, which is the most common and which is the rarest blood group among these students. See this data has been given. This data refers to 30 students. So 30 students of class 8. What we need to do? We need to form a frequency distribution table. After forming a frequency distribution table, we need to answer which is the most common and which is the rarest blood group among the 30 students. So how to begin? So first we'll write down what is blood group. Then we'll write down what is the frequency of the different blood groups. Okay. So what are the different varieties that are available? A, B, O, AB. Apart from this, only these are the four varieties that are available. So A, B, O, AB. These are the four varieties. So now we'll write the frequency of these blood groups. So first A. So or else we'll use the tally mark table here. Tally mark. Okay. A, B, O, AB, then O, then A, OB, then A, then OB, A double O. Where is A? A double O. Okay. Then AB, then O double A, double A, then O, then AB, BA, then OB, ABO, Okay. Now, so we'll write the frequency here. We should be careful while writing this, and this frequency should match with the total number of the students. So how many A's are there? 5 plus 4, 9. So 5 plus 1, 6. Then what about O? 5, 10, 12. Then AB is 3. So total, when we put together, so it should be equal to 30. 9 plus 16, 9 plus 6, 15, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 50, 30. So the frequency has frequency matched with the total number of students. Whatever the frequency distribution that we have, table that we have drawn, it is correct. Now we need to answer this question, which is the most common and which is the rarest blood group among these students. Using this table, we can answer these two questions. The first one is, which is the most common? So most common is C, 12. 12 is the, so 12 means O is the, so 12 is the highest, that is the most common. So the most common blood group is O. Next, which is the rarest? Rarest means which is less. 3 is only appeared only for 3 times. So 3 is the rarest. See, AB is the rarest blood group. Understood? So when they ask you most common, we should check which has appeared for the most number of times. That will be the most common. And The one which has appeared for less number of time is the rarest blood group. We have answered this based on the frequency distribution table. Please note this down. So second question, the distance in kilometers of 40 engineers from their residence to their place of work were found as follows. So they have given these distances in kilometers. So what we need to do using this data, so this data refers to 40 engineers. So we need to construct a group frequency distribution table with a class size 5 for the data given above. So this is the data given above, taking the first interval as 0 to 5. So the first group frequency interval should be 0 to 5, and in which 5 will not be included. We know that. So in 0 to 5, so in the continued frequency distribution table, 0 to 5, 5 to 10. So if 5 comes, where we include? In the next table, in the next frequency, that is 5 to 10. So that is the reason they have mentioned 5 is not included. So what main feature do you observe from this tabular representation? First we represent this in the form of a tabular column. So tabular column or table, then we will decide what is the main feature of that particular representation. Okay, first class interval followed by, so tally mark. See, tally mark, you can use it or you may not use it directly. If you want to count and write, you can count and write, or else you can use tally mark. So then frequency. So using tally mark, we can easily mark the things, and counting will be easy, will not miss out the data. Okay, that is the reason we use tally mark. Okay, now, so what should be the class interval? 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, because 25 is there. So we need to consider, because 25 will come under 25 to 30, because it will not come under 20 to 25. So we need to represent this under class interval 25 to 30. So after this, now next we will mark the tally marks. Okay, this data refers to 40 engineers. Okay, so first 0 to 5. So first 5 will not fall under here, 5 will fall under this. So 3 will come here, 10 will come here, 20 will come here, 25 will come here, 11 will come here. So 13 will come under this, 7 will come under 5 to 10. So 12 between 10 15. So next 31 is there, so we need one more, 30 to 35. So 31 will come here. Next 19, where does 19 fall? 19 will fall under this. What about 10? So 10 will come here. So next 12 will come here. 17 will come in between 15 and 20. 18 will come here again. 11 will come in between this. 32, so again 32 will come here. Next 17 will fall in between this. 16 will come under this. Next 2 will come here. 7 will come here. 9 will fall under this. 7 will come here. Again 8 will come under this. Then 3 will come here. So 5 will come here. Then 12, so 12 will fall under this. Then 15 will fall under this. 18 will come here. So 3. So next 12. So where is 12? So 12 will come under this. 14 will come under this. 2. So 2. 9. 6. Again 6 will come here. 15. So 15 will come here. again 15 is there, 15 will come here, 7, 7, next 6, next 12, so 12 will come under this. Okay, now 5, 11, 11, 9, 1, 1, 2, 5 plus 11, 16, 16, 17, 27, 27 plus 9, 27 plus 9 is 36, 36, 37, 38, 40. So our table is correct, 40. Now, so from this table what we can conclude, so most of the engineers, their residence is under 20 kilometers. What we can conclude, so what is the main feature? The main feature is that, so most of the engineer stays under the diameter of 20 kilometer. Most of the engineers will stay under 20 kilometer surrounding. Okay, we can conclude this or not? See, so most of the engineers are under this. So 20 to 25 only one engineer is there, 25 to 30 only one engineer is there, and 30 to 35 will find only two engineers. So most of them will under, so they stay under 20 kilometer surrounding. So this will be, see, you can give your own conclusion in your own way. So or else you can say only least number of engineers or rare number of engineers will stay under the surrounding which is more than 20 kilometers. That can be your conclusion. Based on your observation you can give a conclusion. So this is now, I say there is no particular answer for this. So based on your observation you can give this conclusion. Okay, so please note this down. Question: the relative humidity in percentage of a certain city for the month of 30 days are as follows. So this is the data related to one of the city. So wherein, so 30 days, what is the relative humidity? They have given this, and using this data you need to calculate, construct a grouped frequency distribution table with classes 84 to 86, 86 to 88. They have given the class size. And the second sub question is, which month or season do you think this data is about? So based on this we need to answer, and what is the range of this data. First we will draw the frequency distribution table. So what will be there? So class interval, then in the class interval percentage of humidity will be there, tally mark followed by frequency. So we should start from 84 to 86. So 84 to 86, 86 to 88, 88 to 90, 90 to 92, 92 to 94, okay, 94 to 96, 96, what we have? So we have till 99.2, 96 to 98, 98 to 100. Let me adjust the focus. Okay, we are within the range. Okay, now we should be careful while counting the data. Okay. Now, so 84 to 86, see, 98.1 will fall in between this one, 92.3, so 97.1, where it will come, it will between 96 to 98, so then 93.5, so it is in between 92 and 94, 92.7, it will be in between 92 and 94, 95.1. So it will fall in between 94, 96. Then 97.2. Where is 97.4? So here it will come. 93.3. 93.3. Where is 93.3? So here it will come. Then 95.2. 95.2 it will come here. 97.3. So 98.1. So it will come here. 98.6 again it will come here. 99.2 again it will come here. 90.3. So 90.3. So it is between 90 and 92. 86.5. So it is between 86 88. So 95.3. So 95.3. So it is in between 94 and 96. 92.9. Where is 92.9? Again it will come here. 96.3. It is between 96 and 98. 94.2. 94.2 again it will come here. 95.1 it will fall in between 94 and 96. Then 96.2 it will fall in between 96 and 98. 92.1. So it is in between 92 and 94. Now 84.9. 84.9 it is between 84 and 86. 90.2 it is between 90 and 92. 95.7 94 and 96 in between. 98.3 it is in between 98 and 100. 97.3 it is in between 96 and 98. 96.1 96.1 again it is between 96 and 98. 92.1 it is in between 92 and 94. 89 so it is in between 88 and 90. Okay, now frequency, will write frequency 1 1 1 2 7 6. Then 5 to 7 5. So all the things put together it should be 30. 5 plus 7 12. 18. 18 plus 7 25. 27 plus 3 30. So it satisfied our table. See, since the frequency is matching with the total number of days, so our table will be, frequency distribution table will be correct. Then now, so first sub question, construct a grouped frequency distribution table with classes 84 to 86 is over. So this is how we are going to represent the frequency distribution table. Then second question, which month or season do you think this data is about? See, almost it is around 96 98. So humidity will be more in the case of rainy season. So second is this data season, do you think this data is about? This data is about which season? Rainy season. In rainy season humidity will be more. Next, third one, what is the range of this data? How do you find the range? Maximum recorded data minus minimum recorded data. What is the maximum recorded? So you can see 99.2 is the maximum. Apart from that, do you have anything? 99.2 is the maximum. What is the minimum? So maximum is 99.2. Apart from this, do you have anything in the range of 99? So when we check, only 99.2 is there. Minus what is minimum? Minimum is in 80s, you should check. So 86 is here. So 89 is here. Apart from that, 84 is there. 84.2 is the minimum because 89 is there, 86 is there. 84.9. So So 12 minus 9, 3. Now this will be 8. 8 minus 4, 4. 9 minus 8, 1. That is 14.3 is the range of this particular data. So please note this down. So fourth and fifth question are very much similar to this. You can do it on your own, and that will be your homework. So please note this down. Thank you.